Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's final presentation of the Greatest Showman medley Part 3. In this lesson, we're going to practice what we learned for the last two sessions and then learn the final part of the Greatest Showman medley so we can play the whole piece. So let's begin by getting our instruments warmed up.
For our final section of the Greatest Showman medley, let's begin by putting words to and counting our rhythms. We'll start with saying Greatest Showman in the same rhythm as we sing the O section at the end of the medley, with a bar of rest in between, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Greatest Showman, shh, 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 shh. Greatest Showman. And next we have to count and say, shh, 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 this is me, shh, 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 this is me. 1 and 2 and shh, shh. Try to say this is me with really short sounds and also make the counting of 1 and 2 and really clear, as it will help us to play rhythmically. Let's put all of that together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Greatest Showman, shh, 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 shh. Greatest Showman, shh, shh, shh. This is me, shh, shh, shh. This is me. 1 and 2 and shh, shh. Pause the video and have a go for yourself.
Do you remember the introduction that we played in the previous sessions, followed by singing Rewrite the Stars, then playing the second instrumental and singing This Is Me? Let's get ready now to play this with the backing track.
We are now going to sing along to the final part of This Is Me.
The Greatest Showman section uses the notes D and E like this. Let's sing them first. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, E, D. Or we could sing the finger numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. O, 1, 1, O. Next, let's play them, putting the bar of shushes in between. I'll demonstrate and you can stop the video and have a go for yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try using smooth bows for this section in the same way that you would sing it smoothly when you sing the O's later on in the medley. The next 2 bars are all on the open D string, starting with an up bow, playing the rhythm of the words, "This is me." Let's use short, energetic bows. I'll demonstrate it and you can pause the video and have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, 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 this is me. Shh, 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 this is me. In our last bar, we played D and E in that order on the ands after beats 1 and 2. Start by playing D and E like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh. And then add in the counting, remembering to only play on the ands with really short bows, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and shh, shh. Pause the video at any time and have a go at putting the 3 sections together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, shh, shh. Shh, shh, shh. 1 and 2 and shh, shh.
We are now going to play and sing our final instrumental section, so get your cello ready.
Don't forget to pause and rewind as many times as you like before we play the whole piece. Before we start, here's a reminder of all the different sections we will need to sing and play. First of all, we play our instruments in the introduction. We then sing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars?
We play the first part of This Is Me. Then we sing This Is Me.
Look out, 'cause here I come.
We then play the second part of This Is Me. And then we sing the final part of This Is Me to finish.
This is me.
Well done everyone, you've done a fantastic job listening and playing along with each tutor, and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this or any other of our videos as many times as you like. Why not perform your own concert at home playing all your favourite pieces that you've learnt with us? Keep up the good work and look out for more playing opportunities on our website.